essential thing about delimitation is that the vote of every citizen in any part of the country should have the same value in electing a member to the Lok Sabha. Today, the vote of a person in Kerala is twice the value of the vote of a citizen in Rajasthan. This is because the southern states are heavily overrepresented in parliament. The number of constituencies in the southern states, is very large compared to the population. Conversely, the states in North India, the constituencies have large numbers of people, but there are not so many constituencies. So as a result, what happens is that each constituency has a very large number of people, reducing the value of an individual vote. This is why delimitation is required. We need to have a sensible way of apportioning the sizes of the constituencies. And to do this in the best possible way, we need to have states that are more or less of the same size. Because this is a related problem. A large state has an unusual political control over the union government. So as a result, many people in the large states, the chief ministers, prefer to keep them large. And especially as what is happening now, if there are more constituencies in the large state where lesser number of people live, like for example rural areas, then the control of the political class over the election result becomes very much more. Therefore, delimitation is an extremely complicated problem, and it cannot be solved so easily by the kinds of things that the government is now proposing, trying to artificially link it with women's representation and so on. This is a matter that needs very careful discussion and debate among intelligent people in this country. It is not a trivial problem. For 50 years, the politicians have led us in the garden path in their delimitation freeze, and now they suddenly find that they are not able to cope up with the constitutional and electoral problems.